This is Sonam Kanoria Poddar, a plus size influencer. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to my live session on FOMO No More. Hi, I'm Sonam Kanoria Poddar, a plus size influencer, and today I'm going to be talking about body positivity and body shaming. So, has it ever happened to you that you have to go to an event, be it a birthday party or a wedding, any kind of event, and you're super duper excited for it? You take out your favorite dress from your wardrobe, you put on good makeup, make your hair nicely, take a nice bag, you're very happy. You are elated, you're really full of joy to attend that event, and you go there happily, meet people, and suddenly somebody passes a comment on your physical appearance, and immediately you snap from being joyful to being sulky. Your self confidence goes down. You start feeling depressed. You start feeling sad. From being happy, you start feeling very, very upset. And all this while, the joy that you were experiencing, that completely dwindles away. Why? Because somebody passed a negative comment about your physical appearance. That is so not done. And that is body shaming. Body shaming is not limited only to fat people or plus size people. Even skinny people experience this. It can be any kind of negative comment, like, you're so dark, you have tanned even more. Oh my god, I think you've put on even more weight. I can see all your flabs. Oops, it hurts. Or, haven't you been eating? You have become even more skinny. You look like a skeleton. Oh, no, that's cruel. It's bad. Or maybe, something like, you are overly fair. What kind of makeup have you put? Any kind of comment or remark that makes you feel bad about yourself, that makes you feel less confident about your body. That is body shaming. And it's high time, it's high time we address that this is a big problem. It's high time that we say no to body shaming. No to body shaming. So, we need to first understand uh, where these comments are coming from. If somebody is giving you a comment about your body, it is not your problem. It is not about you. It is about them. They are doing a shameful thing. You should not be ashamed. You should not feel bad. You should not let your self confidence go down, because they are talking about their own weaknesses. Maybe they are intimidated by you, or maybe they are simply jealous of you, of your happiness, and then they want to pull you down. So it is not about you, it is not about your weaknesses, it is about them. Or maybe they have certain own problems, certain own weaknesses. They have certain incapabilities that they are trying to hide by pulling you down. So don't let that happen to you. Say no to body shaming. What is body positivity? We need to be very, very happy and confident in whatever body we are in. We need to love our body the way it is. We need to be proud of what we are, of how we look. We need to stop letting people pull us down based on our physical appearance. We are more than just this. We are more than just the physical body. It is our personality, it is our aura, everything combined. Don't let anybody pull you down just based on your physical appearance. At times, we are scared and we have a fear to address the issue. we feel that it's going to be very embarrassing for us if we retaliate or if we answer back, especially if our closed ones are passing a comment about us. We just feel embarrassed and we don't want to create a scene, and that is the reason we let it go. But it affects us. It affects us here. It affects us emotionally. It makes us weak. It shatters our confidence level. Don't do that to yourself. It's important that we don't do that to ourselves. I'll just show you one image. Now, this is a fat person, this is a thin person, as prescribed by the society. They both have tears of body shaming. It is not only the fat people who are shamed or the plus sized who are shamed, even the skinny ones are equally shamed and equally affected by people's remarks and comments. It's time we rip this apart. It's time to rip it off. Just rip it off. Another thing. This is the whole world, and we have tiers of body shaming. Please excuse my drawing. It's wonderful, but I these are tiers of body shaming. This is a fat tier, thin tier, dark skin tier, short, tall. It can be anything. The world they will keep on attacking us. The society will keep on attacking us, no matter how we are. We need to stop letting it affect us. I would like to share a few of my own personal experience. I was always a chubby girl. I was always on the little heavier side. I used to look cute. I love my body. I love myself the way I am. But when I was a teenager, I remember the traumatic experience, especially when I used to go shopping. As a teenager, I was super fond of fashion, of new clothes. So I used to go shopping, and that experience used to be really, really traumatic. Because back then, we didn't have so many options for plus size girls. And when I used to go shopping, and the shopkeepers used to tell me that next time, please come back after you lose some weight. We don't have anything of your size. That used to hurt badly. It's not that I didn't try to lose weight or be the perfect body type, but for some reason it didn't happen. But I don't think people had the rights to make me feel like that.